Onlookers like Joe Vito commented on Perry's.
Yeah, it's like, let me show you. I think it's Nyx. Hold on. Fucking fake. I think it's Airsoft. Look. It's Ash or Airsoft. See? I think it's nice though. I think it's actually nice though, no? Like, it's like a nice... I fucking pulled the thing on it. What did you actually think? Ugh. Not a replica, it's a fucking Airsoft.
Unimpressive middle school musical level choreography and said that Perry's tour didn't hold a candle to pop artists like Lady Gaga and Taylor Swift. Perry seems to be going through some sort of celebrity mid.
What's up? Oh, merci. Oh, go cheese.
Life crisis. Now at